Hi, welcome to this video. Gonna guide you through how to fix eSIM stuck on activating iPhone. To fix an eSIM stuck on activating on an iPhone, immediately force restart your iPhone. So basically swipe down your Wi-Fi at the top right, or swipe down in the top right, and hit the or force basically restart your device, or just shut down your device and reopen it again using your lock screen, right? You could also use airplane mode, right? And then reopen the Wi-Fi again. If still persists, all you gotta do is just check your internet connection, make sure you have a powerful internet connection. So basically that's it. If it remains stuck, try toggling, right, in the cellular, turn on this line. You can find like options, right? You can see right here, this is an option, or you could just add it manually, add eSIM manually and turn on this line. Okay, so make sure to update to the latest version of iOS to transfer your phone number. Okay, also as I said before, go ahead to the channel, make sure your iOS is fully updated to the latest version. Okay, or just take out the eSIM and basically re-add it, or basically reopen it again, right? Just take it out and just bring it back in, and then check if the problem still persists. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Most issues arise from poor network coverage, pending updates, or lack of destination network presence. See you in the next one.